Jah Light inna the M5 4.4 V8 TwinPower Turbo. Press that button. Listen. 4.4 liter V8 under the bonnet. Twin turbos breathing when me put my foot up on it. 600 horses waiting when me fire up the beast. 750 Newton meters. Talk never cease. 3.4 to 62, that's factory time. 8 speed and steptronic shifting perfectly in line. The xDrive gripping when the road get rough. Rear driven character, yeah, the traction. Carbon look details, them badge on display. Sport seats holding me when the corner swing away. I'm steering in on me hands, digital dash bright. Exhaust note echoing through the city at night. Comfort when me cruising.
Sport when they choose.
Sport plus activated.
Now me feel the M-Fuse.
M5, 4.4
Twin Turbo V8.
make you all road roar. M5
Empower.
every mile, every turn, every single hour. 4 wheels grip when me pull away. 8 gear shifting like lightning all day. From the motorway straight to the winding road. Jah Light inna the M5 Empower mode. Rain start falling, road surface wet. xDrive working, giving confidence. Yet me don't drive reckless, me respect the lane. But the chassis and traction make the drive feel insane. Adaptive M suspension soaking up the road. Then sport mode sharper when me change the load. M differential helping power through the bend. We feel every movement from beginning to end. Cruising through town with the music turn low. V8 rumbling, then leak like a heartbeat flow. Then open road calling, horizon looking wide. M5 planted firmly with the power inside. Me remember the first time it turned that key. Heard that V8, knew it was meant for me. Not just a car, it's an experience every day. Luxury and performance in the same display. M5 4.4
Twin Turbo V8.
make the wall road roar. M5 every mile, every turn, every single hour. 600 horses, 750 Nm Sport xDrive in the power again. 3.4 to 62, that's the spec. M5 life,
Jah Light show respect.
engine cool, turbo quiet, journey done. But tomorrow morning, press start.
4.4 V8.
M5 Jah Light.